I don't know, this is my fifth session, and today we are going to talk about array and switch, right? This is the two important concept in core Java which we use each and everywhere. So let me tell you, see, when you declare a variable, right? Who is coming with me?
I mean, you want IT or non-IT? Because I'm IT if you want
No,
non-IT.
no, I hate IT people.
Okay, so then somebody else come forward, please.
Somebody else. He, who is my friend today? See, even IT people are not taking initiative. Why? Anuj, you
No,
are
see,
from IT or
I
non-IT?
took initiative, right?
Yeah, I know, I know. I want the people from the non-IT. Anuj, can you unmute and speak?
Yes, sir. I'm IT as well, but there's a lot of background noise here, like right now.
Okay,
So.
okay, okay, no issue. Who is next? Nishchal?
Yes, sir. Yeah, this is my. Yeah, I can do it. I'm IT too. Yeah, I
Ah,
can be here
no,
today.
no, that's fine. Let me talk to Renuka.
Non-IT अर्जेन्ट क्वेसन सोध्नुपर्छ क्या
बोल नहीं रहे Renuka?
the
Renuka,
more
you
you
are
ask,
replying.
the more you interact, you learn more, guys. So you have to come
That's why
forward.
they are not trying to actually they don't understand this
Exactly.
problem. Uh, very, very bad. Okay. Hey Renuka, you are in the session. I am telling you, this is the last time. Okay. If I'm calling your name, right? If you're not replying, don't come in the session. Honestly, I'm telling you.
Welcome, Rubina.
So it's too late, right? No, Rubina is fine. I was talking about the. Sure, Rubina, you can go ahead. Renuka is your what friend or sister, whatever.
No, I'm here, Nagendra.
Renuka,
Yes.
please. If I'm calling your name 10 times, it's not good, right? Try to understand.
Yeah, sorry for that because I had a baby here, so sorry
No,
for
that's okay. That's okay.
that.
He can also learn Core Java, no problem. Let
Okay.
him learn.
Mhm.
In Mahabharata, there is I don't want. Sure, that's fine. That's cool. Okay, so money. Okay, no issue, no issue, Renuka. I understand. Rubina, can you come?
Yes.
Okay. See, uh, we have a variable. Money. Money is a variable which can hold what kind of data? Integer type of data, right? But what is the limitation of money is a variable, right? Rubina,
Yes.
money is a
Variable.
variable means something which value can be changed, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because its value can be changed. Agree or not?
Yes.
So right now in money we have only $100, but later we can make it like money. Tell me, is possible or not?
We can make it more.
You can make it more or you can make it less. It is up to you, right? Like you
Yeah.
can. This is possible, right? We can make it, right? Yeah.
Mm.
But what is limitation of this variable? This variable limitation is at a time it can hold only one value. So here it is holding 100 and here it is holding
Uh,
1033, right?
mm-hmm.
So what is limitation of the variable? Any guess? Limitation is, hey, tell me. Limitation
Around.
is it can hold only
One
one,
type of data.
no, limit. It can hold only one value at a time. One value at a time. Say yes.
Yes.
This limitation you can overcome with the help of array. What is the
Mm-hmm.
array? Using array, you can declare a variable which can hold multiple data at a time. Oh my God, what is it? Array is a concept. Rubina, what is it?
Array. Yeah.
Array is a
Array is a
concept.
concept.
Concept, right? Which can store what?
Which can
Multiple,
store.
multiple values at a time. You got it or totally you got super duper confused?
I got
Array,
it.
you can say normal variable can hold only one value, but array variable can hold multiple value.
Multiple values.
So how to declare the array? How to declare the array, right? If you want to declare the array variable, you have to use integer and variable name and square. You see square bracket,
Mm-hmm.
Rubina, equals to, here you can use new integer, and you can use again array, and you can give size, how many element it can store. So this AA can store how many element? 5 element at a time.
Mm-hmm.
So let me show you in other slide. So basically, JBM, JRE, JDK is clear to everybody. So how to declare the array, right? Rubina, you got the syntax?
Mm-hmm.
Integer, variable name and square bracket here equals to new space integer, right?
Mm-hmm.
And size of the array. So when you do it, right, left side will create a variable, Rubina,
Uh-huh.
and this variable name is AA, right?
AA.
But right side will create a 5 block of the integer. It will create a contiguous 5 block of it, like this, right? So there would be how many block? 1,
5.
2, 3, 4, and 5, right? And every block will be start with 0. So 0 index, this is called index of the block. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You got it? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So now if you want to access it, you would say AA square bracket index number 0, right? So if you say here 9, Rubina, so what
Mm-hmm.
happened? 9 will be assigned to
0.
what? Similarly, you can say AA of 1.
A1.
You can say 10, 19. So 19 will be assigned to. Oh my God. So
1.
you got the benefit of it.
Mm-hmm.
Array is a concept through which you can declare the variable, and one variable can hold multiple value.
Multiple
In which
value
case,
at a
if it
time.
is, yeah, if it is the case of array. I hope I'm making myself clear. 50 and 50. So here you can say 5. You confused or you got my point?
I got it.
What is the benefit of array? One
L.
variable can hold multiple value in case of array. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Similarly, if you want to print the value of index 3, then you can do system.out.println, and here you can use array of
AA1,
AA of 3.
1, 2, 3.
3 means, Rubina, you want to
3
print
means
AA this value.
50.
Oh, nice. You are following me. Oh, so you got this concept, array?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yep.
Array is a concept, right? So I'm going to show you how to declare the array and print it. Okay. On top of it, I can show you couple of operation. Allow me so that I can type the program for you. Please allow me. You can
Okay.
think me as your poor student. Okay. Your poor student is taking your class, and you people are helping me. Not replying anything. It's okay. You're not helping me, but you say you guys are helping me to motivate me.
Yes,
Thinking.
we are with you, man.
That's yep. So yep. Say you are here to help me.
So you.
Array demo 1. Let me show you this program.
Mhm.
My intention is I want to show you one use of the array. So in Java, if you want to declare the array, what is the concept? Integer. A.
Integer.
Here no need to give the size. Here you can write new integer. This is syntax. Okay. You want to create the array of size 5, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now A of 0, you want to add 12. Similarly, you can go up to 1, sorry,
1.
1, 2, 3, 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
And here you can do 2, here you can add 23, here you can add 78, and here you can add 50. Yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
Here, if you want to find the length of the array, right? Length of the array is 5 because it can hold 5 elements. So how you can print the length of the array? You can use the array name, Rubika. And there is a attribute of the array that is called length. You know what this will give you, Rubika?
I think the value.
Size of the array.
No, a dot length will give you how many element it can hold.
5.
How many? 5. So let me run it. So whenever you want to find the length of the array, you can use length attribute of it. Can you see this? Now, if you want to print all the value, Rubina, CMOS style, you can use a for loop. And this for loop should go up to a dot length, right? You can make it general, okay?
Okay.
And here you can print what? A
It's
of I.
I.
Is it clear to everybody?
Mm-hmm.
A, first of all, it
Yeah.
will print A of 0, A of 1, A of 2
Mm-hmm.
up to A of
Yeah, 5.
5.
A4.
Yeah,
AF4.
A of 4. Right, right, right.
Or 4, yes. Yes.
Here you can say elements in array is. Can you see this?
Mm-hmm.
A, I don't know, you got the concept? There is a other way of declaration. Let me show you.
So we
Actually,
can
there is a,
also now again we can have an array for any data types, right? For string
yeah,
or
yeah, 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 anything,
yeah,
anything. Like
exactly.
here, if you want to, this is another way of doing it. Array you can declare and initialize in one line. Same concept. Well, 2, 23, whatever you want to do, right? 5 element. Can you see this?
Mhm.
This is another way of doing it.
Okay.
Got it? So it's all about practice then. So array concept, I don't know you got it or not. So array
Yes.
basically we use to hold the data, and this array is used a lot everywhere. And there would be a lot of problem which you can solve with the help of array. Anybody in the session who don't understand the concept of it, please let me know. Anybody is there?
I'm here.
I also
Okay,
don't
anybody?
understand.
Pardon?
I'm here.
What you said?
No,
Now you
somebody
ask me.
said
Who said who don't understand? Let me know. What you don't understand?
When you say the value, you can hold any values, right? Does it have to be something like series? Let's say, for example, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Something like 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, or it's any value.
Value could be anything, but index is always fixed. 0, 1, 2, like this.
Okay.
This index is fixed. And try to ask the questions when you don't understand. It's not like you just wait for me, right? If I ask some questions, hey, do you understand? Ask question, then you ask. No, ask immediately. Hey, I don't understand this. Got my point?
Okay.
So
Thank
then, so
It
this
always
is the,
starts with 0, right?
yeah, always start with 0. So you should know how to create the array and then how to print it, right? Important, 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 important. Fine. Now, what I'm going to do is
Sorry.
I'm going to, what, sorry, tell me.
I came a bit late, so can you go back to the array
What's your
example
name?
2? Nima.
So
NGIM.
here, Nima, see, if you try to come on time, right? Because
Yeah,
repeating is not a
I tried.
solution. Today
Yeah.
I'm going to do it, but next time I won't do it.
Awesome. Thank you.
Because one thing I can teach you only one time, okay?
Okay.
So let me give it a try.
No, I understand this one, this page, but just the
But that's
example
okay.
on.
That's fine. Example I'm going to show you. Okay, more
Okay.
example. So I'm going to show you my first program of the array. I'm telling you right now, if you cannot understand in my session, you cannot learn programming language. Please remember it.
Okay.
So if you, everybody has to be very, very punctual and serious. Then only you can do it. The exception is there sometimes. That's okay. What is my agenda? Agenda is I want to see this program, right? Basically, this is the number, right? But what my intention is? My intention is I want to reverse this number using array. What? Any guess?
using array.
I want, please let me know. I want to
Reverse the number
reverse number using
using.
array concept, right? So what would be the logic? My logic is, first of all, I will read the number, right? And put into the array, right? Let's do how say. For first thing is, my logic. I
Reading the
have
number.
to, yeah, reading the number and put into the array.
You have
So
to
what
create array
number I
first.
should? Yeah. So I'm telling you, number of see what is the number digit? Number digits could be anything, right? That's not in your
Yeah.
hand. Fine. So here you can create an array of what length? You don't know, right? So you can use some number, bigger number, right? Like 20. It's okay.
Okay.
This is clear to you?
Yeah, pretty clear.
Now, what I need to do? Actually, this is the number. Let's take a small example, right? 1, 2, 3. So first of all, I will read the each and every digit of it and store into the array. See my style. I can use a while loop, right? And I would say continue unless and until n is
4.
oh no here unless and until it becomes 0, right? So unless and until you can say it is less than 0, right? Continue. Yeah, you can say n not equals to 0. So okay. Once once it becomes 0, don't stop it, right? When loop will terminate? When
When it
loop
becomes
will
0.
terminate. Hey, I don't know how many people understand this much. This will only terminate when number becomes 0. Hey, what my intention is, see, I want to take digit one by one, right? So in order to do that, I want to take a digit. Non-IT people, what I want to do? I want to take a digit of it. So what you
Digit.
can do? You can do number modulus operator 10. When you do modulus operator 10, right? What it will give you? Last digit.
3.
Rubina, what I said. Any number is there, just do modular operator by 10. Do you know what it will give you? Remainder, last digit.
The last digit.
So if your number is 1, 2, right? 3, and you divide by 10, quotient will be 12 and remainder will be 3. So what it will give you? 3.
3.
Yes. And
Yes.
this 3 you can store into the array. What position? You can take some variable, right? I start with 0, right? So where you want to store? I position, what you want to store? Digit. It's clear to everybody?
Mm-hmm.
3 will be stored,
3.
array position 0. And then you can increment the value of I, right? I plus plus means I plus 1, right? So it will become 1.
Yeah.
After that, whatever number is there, right? You see, you just divide number by 10. What is the meaning of it? See, whatever your number is there, if you divide it, your last digit will be gone.
12.
Rubina, if you divide
Yes.
by 10, result will be only it will give you the quotient, right? Divide when you do divide, it will give you the quotient. When you take the remainder, it will give you the last digit. Fine.
All right.
So here, if I'm taking 1, 2, 3, what happened? 1, 2, 3 remainder by 10. It will return you 3. And this 3 you are storing into array. What position?
0.
0 position you are storing 3, right?
Mhm.
After that, this is called comment. After that, you are saying I plus plus, right? The number you are dividing by 10. So 1, 2. So 1, 2 is not equals to 0. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Then here we have 1, 2. 1, 2 modulus operator 10. It will return
2.
2, right? Then in array, position 1, what you are storing? 2. So when you are coming here, you have only what in your hand?
1.
1. Like here you have 1, 2. 1, 2 you are dividing with 10, right? So what you will get? Quotient. Quotient would be 1, right?
Mm-hmm.
Say yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Here 1 not equals to 0. So if you take 1 remainder by 10, remainder will be
1.
1. Mathematics. 1. If you take the remainder by 10, it will come 1. So at second position, you are storing 1. Got it?
Yeah.
And I plus plus. And when you have 1 and divide by 10, right? It will be 0.
Yeah.
Because 1, when you divide with 10, quotient will be 0, remainder would be 1.
Yeah.
So your num becomes 0 and this condition becomes false, right? So in array, are you following me? What you have?
Yeah.
In array, you just go and print it, right? Integer, you start with 0 and go up to what? You have to just go up to I. I is just giving you number of digit, right?
Yeah.
In array, you cannot go up to length. You just go up to number of digit. Number of digit tracked by I. So here you can do x plus plus and here you can print the value of it. Array of x, right? And don't give println, then everything will come in same line. Okay. So run it and see the result. Here you have to write array. Here, by typing this kind of program, only you can develop your logic. There is no other way of doing. Can you see this?
Again,
Please.
quick
Tell me.
question. So, when we're using for loop, so why are we not looping through the elements of the array?
Because this size and this size is different. Number size is up to only 8, right?
Mhm.
And array which you are using, it is up to 80 size. So I'm just
Oh,
interested up
Yeah.
to the length of the digit, number of digit actually. Can you see this? So guys, I don't know you got it or not. Using
Yeah.
array, I'm just
Hi,
extracting
Lorenzo.
individual. Yes, please.
Can you use the int number like a different random number like besides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Besides like
Yeah. Tell me,
this-
man. Here
about
in
whatever
Java,
number?
just a
Yeah.
second, we have a method random, and
Yeah.
using
No.
that,
Yeah.
okay, man. Whatever you want to say, tell me.
Like 6, 7, 5, like that.
You tell me, man.
Yeah, whichever. Yeah.
Any big number.
Yeah. Can you try that?
Yeah, that'll work out.
You have doubt on me?
No
No.
problem.
Just asking. Just asking. You told
It'll
to
work.
ask.
Sure, it'll work.
Man.
Yeah.
Because this is program I am writing
Yeah.
in guidance of yours. So how I can do the mistake? No. Got it?
Yeah. Now I got it.
Okay. So my dear non-IT people, I don't know how many people understand this logic. People, anybody is there who don't understand this, go and watch the recording 10 times and you'll get it. And I'm telling you, these programs are, I would not say it is very simple for the people who is seeing it first time. It's not simple. Let me show you what? Let me show you. Let me show you some other example of the array, right? In the array, I want to find sum of all the elements. Find sum of all the elements. I don't know you understand the program or not. So they would be main, and here you can have an array, right? In array you can have many elements altogether. What's my agenda? Agenda is I need to find
The sum of all the elements.
of the element. So if you want to add some, you have to take some temporary variable initializable 0. And you can use a for loop, right? And integer x, I, whatever you want to do. You can go up to the length of the
Of the
array.
array.
And you can use length attribute of it, then x plus plus. After that, you would say, hey, sum, whatever is there, I want to add array of x. Got it? In this way, you'll get the sum of all the elements. Now you can print it. People. Sum is, right, message plus sum. Anybody have any question for you? This program is simple compared to previous program. And use Control A, Control Shift F to make it beautiful. Which command? Control A to select all. Select all. Control Shift plus F for formatting. I don't know you got it or not. Now run it and see the output of it. See, this is not easy to add, right? Take a smaller number, which you can easily add it. Okay. Now tell me 1, 2, 3, 6, 14, and 9. 23 or 23
And pipe.
and 34. It would be 57 kind of.
Yeah.
Then,
There we go.
hey, I don't know. How many people understand this program? Pallavi, what about you? You understand
I
this
did not
program?
understand.
Yeah.
Hey, tell me what is the array?
Professor?
Yeah?
Yeah, I did. I was a bit confused.
Yeah, please. Where you confused? And what's your confusion?
Yes. So those are just random number that random values that you choose, right?
This could be anything, right? It is
Oh, yes.
general, a generic number. So you want to take some special number in this?
Hmm. And also, why you say sum equals 0? Because at the end, the sum is
Yeah.
57.
Let me tell you. Actually, in this, you are storing the previous result, okay? So you
Okay.
have to start with 0. So
Okay.
first time when your loop will work, right? X0
Mm-hmm.
and its length is
5.
1,
Wait,
2,
1, 2, 3,
3,
4, 5,
4,
6.
5, 6. Its length is 6. So here you can think in your mind as a 6. So x is 0 and x is less than 6. And here you are doing sum initially 0, right?
Yes.
Then array of x is 1. So 0 plus, first time it will do 0 plus,
1.
let me tell you, 0 plus 1. That's it. And 0 plus 1 you are going to store in a sum. Next time when you x plus plus, x becomes 1, right? 1 is less than
Yes.
6. So on 1 it would pick 2,
2.
right? So initially you have 0 plus 1 plus 2.
2.
So when you have to update the same thing again and again, you have to start with some initial
Oh,
value, right? In
okay.
Java, if you want to use variable, it must be initialized before in use. Please mark it. What? Variable, local variable. Let me complete it. You can mark it. Local variable must be initialized before in use. Local variable, a variable which you declared inside method is called local variable. Oh
Okay.
man, what is local variable? Important.
So that can be used only within the method, right?
Method, yeah. Its scope is within the method. Anything you cannot use outside it. No.
Okay.
Variable which is declared inside method, right?
Right.
Variable which is declared inside method is called local variable, and local variable must be initialized before in use. Please remember it.
Okay.
Here, I want to use it. That's why I'm initializing. This is Java rule. That's why I'm initializing with 0. Okay. If you add
Okay.
something
Thank you.
else, it will be automatically extra will added. Thanks for asking questions. So I don't know how many people understand the array, right? Because after it from tomorrow, I would like to teach you some new topic like object orientation, right? Your real programming will start from tomorrow. Okay, so there would be many program based on the array, right? You got it?
Yes.
Mhm.
So please, first of all, do practice of this much. And today I'm going to show you how to take input from the keyboard, but you have to mug it. What? Mug it. You know what I'm saying? How
No.
to take input, right? You are not taking input from the user, right? No. So I'm showing you what the meaning is. If you want to take taking input at runtime, hey, you got the agenda?
Yeah, input from the user.
User or from the keyboard.
Mhm.
Yes.
So in order to do it, first of all, you have to import and mug it. You have to mug it. Import java dot util, everything is small letter dot star. You have to mug it, right? After it, what you need to do, here you have to use a class, scanner, yes, capital, okay? And variable name, you can give anything. And new scanner. This much you have to mug it. Are you following me? System dot in. Oh, Mr. What? Scanner, it could be anything, right? Whatever you want to do. New space scanner system.in. System.in is always pointing to keyboard as reference of board. Make sense? System.in is a reference of keyboard. Fine. And here you can say enter what? Your name, please, right? So when you enter your name, then this name, when you type it, it will go to the scanner, right? You would say, hey scanner, give me my name. So you can use next method on it, and it will return you string, whatever name you have entered. Confused? And this name you can print it. So whatever name you'll enter, you can print it. Guys, are you following me or not? This is fixed.
Yes.
And here you have to give the message. And using next, you are saying whatever I've entered, please return to me. Next means return whatever is, any guess, is entered by the user, right?
Mm-hmm.
Are you following me? I can run it. When you run it, it would say enter your name, please. Of course, Nagendra. Enter. See? Or here
Yes.
you can give some more message. Your nice name is, okay, like this. This is the hard coded message plus name. Run it now. So you can take any kind of input, right? Nagin. See, your nice name is Nagin. Got it? Similarly, I'm just showing you how to take integer input. What input? Integer. Enter your age, please. Got it? So what I'm supposed to enter over here? Integer.
Integer.
Then you can use next int. Next n small I capital. Here you can write integer variable, right? Like this. Make sense? Then you can, your age is confused? No. So today I have just shown you how to take input from the keyboard. Earlier input you were hard coding it. Am I right?
Yep.
So I'm going to show you how to add two number. Oh my God. Taking from the keyboard, right? User. So here, this is fixed. This is fixed. Enter your first number. Oh, people, non-IT people, you confused? No. So here you can write num1, variable name, right? Similarly, you can give another message over here. What? Tell you.
Second number.
You have to do practice a lot.
Second number.
Here you can say num2. If you want to add it, then you can say integer. A variable name could be tempa, num1 plus
Num2. Without num tempa.
name, yeah, your result plus tempa. You can give any name, right? Any name. Good name is sum.
So,
This is the better name, but you can give any name. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run my program. Enter first name 10, second name 90, right? Result will be 100. I don't know how many people understand this. You got it or not? See, this line is connecting you to through the keyboard, and you are prompting the message, and when you are prompting the message and you type the input, right, then it will read the input and store in variable. Similarly, second number. People, you got my point or not?
yes, sir.
Non-IT people, especially you are my target. Okay.
Okay.
So see, if you want to be part of my training, please go and do all this practice and come tomorrow. And from tomorrow, we'll be starting the OOPS concept. I'm going to make one more program where you can make a choice, okay? Choice. If you want to make a choice, in Java, there is another programming construct that is called switch, okay? If first of all, I would like to take input from the keyboard, it's not a big deal. Yes, you know? See my style of copy paste? Yep. Copy. Please. What I'm trying to do is, I just created a program. I don't know where it's gone. Let me make a new one.
His choice.
Choice.
Yeah,
Yeah,
his
choice
choice.
W.
It's on the top. Yeah.
Okay, that's. Can you see this? Enter your
Choice.
days.
Nagender, sir, I have a question.
Please.
Before you move on to, can I share my screen and can you help me out on one the similar as the sport?
Yeah, I'll do that. Let me complete it because recording
Okay.
is there. So here we have choice, right? On the
Mhm.
basis of choice, I want to print Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right? So
Yes.
we have concept of switch for this, where you want to make a choice, right? Switch. Switch keyword is there. Can you see this? Control space bar, enter. Oh my God, what I did? Control
Control
space bar, enter.
as well.
So here you can put your choice, right? And here you can put the value. One means you can print.
So
Syntax you can understand when you do it, right? So don't take tension as long as I am here, right? Case one, Monday. Case two, Tuesday. And here we have break. Why have we break? So that once it matched, you should come outside the switch. Right? Why break? Break is a keyword which will move you outside the switch. Make sense? Similarly, you can do for three. I'm just doing for only three, right? Not more than that. Tuesday, Wednesday. Are you following me, guys? Hello?
Yes.
Syntax, no worries.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
let me run it. If you run it and if you enter three, then you should print Wednesday. Let's run it again. If you enter one, it should print Monday and come outside. Done. So switch is basically used to make a choice, right? Syntax, you can do the practice. Okay. So
now again,
yeah,
why did we write default after case 3?
default means if nothing is matched, yeah, you can write anywhere. There's no order of it.
No,
If
no,
no
I mean,
match,
no, no,
sorry.
no, no. I mean, what happens if you remove the default? Will it give an error?
Oh, no, nothing. Sorry, nothing is matched, right? Here, purpose of it, default message. If nothing happened, then you can use it. Make sense?
Yeah. So, okay, now I get it.
Suppose in this, your choice doesn't match. Like you enter a 5, right?
Mhm.
Sorry, nothing is matched. So you can write it anywhere, in any order, doesn't matter in it. Can you see this?
No, I mean, we can work without the default too, right? I mean,
Yes,
if you put
man.
1, 2, 3, yeah.
You don't want to give the default choice. You can do that. It is up to you. Okay,
Mhm.
done. So last program, I'm going to show you use of break keyword, which I haven't done it, right? Break. See, break keyword is used in switch as well as if you want to come outside the loop, right? Let me show you. Suppose we have array. Oh, people, what we have?
Array.
Array. And in array, you want to terminate your code. When you want to terminate, if first 9 is encountered, then what you want to do? You want to terminate the program, or you want to stop the printing the loop. For example, I'm just printing up to array.length.
Length.
So basically, what you want to do, I want to print until my element is, any guess, not equals to 9. When 9 comes, I want to break the program. I want to break the loop, right? Break.
But there's
Otherwise, it
only
will be
9.
printing the element. Let me show you what I'm saying is, no. I want to print all the element, until 9 encounters. So what happened now, man? See, you are reading it 1, it's not 9, it's not do anything. The moment when you read the 9, then what? Break means it will, break the loop, right? What do you say? Hey, what? Break the
Stop the loop.
yes, break the loop in between.
Right.
So this is called immature termination of the loop. Let me run it. I want to terminate as per condition. I can use break. So why is not working? Let me run
Because
it.
you shift out it outside the for loop.
No. I just mentioned something wrong. Here you have to say 9, right? If it is equals to 9, then you want
Yeah, not equal to 9. Yeah, equal to 9, then you stop, right?
yeah. Can you see this?
Yeah.
It's printing 1, 4, 2, 6, because in that case it's not going to the loop, right? In this if condition. If it is 9, you are saying break. Okay,
But
got a
it
point?
didn't print 10. Why?
Then if you write 10, then all the 9 will come when 10 encounters. After that 9 won't become. So 2 times 9 will come over here. See?
Oh,
And here, let me show you one more thing. There's a concept of continue. Continue keyword. You are saying, hey loop, don't execute, just continue again. Okay. For example, you don't want to print the first element. So what you do? If x is equals to 0, then you do continue. Continue means you don't want to execute this. Why? Only for
well,
x0 you are saying continue. It will go to the x plus plus immediately, right? Continue means
yes.
you are saying, hey, for x0, don't execute all those things, right? So which element will not printed in this case? 1. Because for x equals to 0, you are saying don't continue, right? So continue and break we only use inside the loop. Please remember it. Continue is used only. It is used only inside loop. Got it? And break is used 2 places. Remember, inside the loop as well as inside the switch. Break is inside loop as well as inside switch. Only 2 users. I don't know. Anybody have any question, query, or it's clear? Continue means
Sorry, I
you
have a
don't
question.
want to continue this, execution only for x equals to 0. Continue means go to the x plus plus. But it's not breaking the loop. Remember it. It's just continuing the execution only for x equals to 0. And
So
here it is breaking the loop in between, in immature, right? Program termination. Please go ahead.
continue means skip, kind of.
No. Yeah, skip only that iteration.
Okay.
X equals to 0, just continue this iteration. Only one iteration. Okay.
So if you say continue, if you say x goes to 3 or 2, then it's gonna skip like the digit 2.
Yeah. If you say x equals to 3, it will skip 6 because it is starting with 0, right? Index. So let's do that. It will skip the 6 only. See, 6 is 1.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So guys, I'm telling you, programming you cannot learn just by seeing these programs and recording. No, you have to make your hand dirty, not somebody else. You got it?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
Yes,
your
sir.
question should be, Nagin, what is the best way of learning? Because when you do it, I'm get confused. What I should do? I would say go and type the program. That is the best way of learning. There's no other way of doing it, right? Only I can tell you the concept. If you don't know how to put the loop, how to put the bracket and all, you cannot do it. I think this is enough for today, guys. I'm just
I
stopping my
have a
session
question.
here. And next topic we'll do means tomorrow I'm going to cover OOPS concept, object oriented programming. That is the main part of the core Java, I would say. Thank you so much.